So sometimes you got like all kinds of.
Give me 1 second. I'm gonna talk in a second. Okay, this is Lance John. Lance John driving Las Vegas more baby. I just left Shaquille O'Neal restaurant. Let me show you the sign. They're trying to find my keys. What the hell I do with my keys? Did I leave my keys? I did leave them there. Oh no, I got them. I thought I left my keys in the restaurant. Hey, give me 1 second. I'm finna talk. Let me just get in my car. Get inside my junky car. So let me get myself fixed up and I'll start talking and start eating what I have. Damn. I already have a copyright strike thing. Okay, let me switch the camera. Okay. Doing the video and not even talking, just footage. But anyway, Lance John driving more baby. I went to Shaq restaurant. I both have 3 sliders and a fry. Or it could be 2 sliders, I don't know. I see 2. Oh, I got 3 sliders, okay. I got 3 sliders and a fry and a drink. I got some Shaq sauce. It tastes like ketchup, mayonnaise, and barbecue sauce together. What it tastes like. But I want to go Chicken Shack, but Chicken Shack is too far. I may go there later. But it's a Chicken Shack by my job, so. But I wanted to confirm something. Yesterday I didn't feel like cooking cabbage and corned beef, so I had a Reuben from Arby's. I did buy some corned beef from Winco. I got roast beef now. I got pastrami, so I'm going to eat that for the next few days. Eat it for lunch at work. Now, a Reuben isn't Irish, but a Reuben has corned beef. But the corned beef sound, I mean, the Irish, they start eating bacon or lamb with cabbage. And then they started eating corned beef and cabbage. So, but they said something about the Jewish people introduced them. I think the Jewish people introduced them to corned beef. And corned beef was cheaper than, I guess, other meats. But they originally was eating lamb and or bacon with cabbage. But I mean, you can put bacon and cabbage, but corned beef does taste better. I mean, I don't eat lamb. I've never been a lamb eater, so I'm not gonna eat lamb. I mean, I did eat lamb while I was little. I mean, my grandfather, I think he barbecued lamb one time, and I ate while I was little. But I mean, I just don't like eating lamb with I mean, I don't like eating lamb. I mean, I never liked eating lamb, so I'm not gonna eat lamb. So that's that. But yeah, a Reuben is a simplified version of cabbage and corned beef. And I am part Irish. So it's part of my heritage. So, but next year, I'm probably gonna be a vegetarian, so I just eat cabbage, and I probably eat cabbage. Back in the day, because it won't be corned beef. I know these fries are not hot, but I mean they're good. They're not nasty, but they're not hot. They're not fresh fries. Shame on you, Shaq. But I mean they're good though. Just because the fries ain't like fresh fries, don't mean the fries can be good. A lot of times food tastes better after it cools off, but it's fine, you know. So let me finish eating the fries. These slides, I'll probably go eat the rest later. I'll eat one to see how it tastes today. I'm gonna end the video. Cause I wait to have the video come out of there, getting fruit punch on my arm. People looking at me crazy. I don't give a fuck though. But I don't remember why I ate last time, but I know for 3 sliders, fries and a drink, I spent like $15 because it's near the strip, so they gonna charge me money. It did look like in the hood, it would be cheaper. Any restaurant near the strip, it's gonna cost more. It's like the McDonald's on the strip. And McDonald's like all the McDonald's on the strip, and the one near the stratosphere, they charge more money. The other McDonald's that's off the strip, the prices are like cheaper. Cause they trying to make money off the tourists. I just know I'm not gonna go on a trip to McDonald's unless I'm like with people that I know and we're eating something. You know where I go. But I mean, I'm so over the strip. You know, I don't really go to the strip unless my cousin or friends say, "Hey, I go to the strip then." But the strip is really overrated. Like, once you've been to the strip so many times, you know, you'll get over it real quick. But the strip is cool. You know, like if you're like going like the strip, like with people, like with your friends that's from out of town, you know, it can be fun, you know. But to go to the strip every day, I can't do it unless I'm doing Uber, Lyft, or go, you know. If I was working on a trip, I did work on a trip before when I was doing the gigs with with the theater, when I was doing the theater setup and everything, making $30 an hour, I'll be on a strip then. But I'm gonna go ahead and go. Just recording this big chicken. But I mean, pretty soon I'll be a vegetarian. I got some ribs I gotta eat. I got a pork roast I gotta eat. I got spaghetti that I have to eat. So when I get finished eating that, you know, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start eating just like poultry, and then I'm gonna stop eating poultry. But the first thing I'm gonna do is stop eating beef and pork. And then I'm gonna stop eating poultry. But I'm gonna go ahead and go. Lance John driving life more, baby. Hit the notification, comment below. You should see something, say something before you speak out. Watch the touch your hands, if it's social distance, wear a mask, cover mouth, cough, sneeze. Again, Lance John's driving life more, baby. Thanks for listening. Have a good day. Bye. And be safe.